Honorable Michelle C. Solages, she just mentioned that women are the nucleus of the family. So I would like to add that not only the nucleus, but also the orbit, the electron, proton and neutron, everything. So, Mr. Liton Ahmed, President and founder of US Bangladesh Chamber of Commerce, Honorable Jennifer Raskumar, Assemblywoman, Honorable David I. Wipin, Assemblyman, Honorable Michelle C. Solages, Assemblywoman, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Very good evening to all of you. In fact, I had brought a written speech and I asked my daughter to help me because I had another program. I was writing a speech in Bengali and I asked my daughter, you write something for me. And that is what she prepared. I gave her the inputs, but anyway, thank God that I have been blessed with two daughters. 2021 is especially important to all Bengalis, Bangladeshis, in the sense that we are celebrating the 50th anniversary of our independence and the birth centenary of our father of the nation, Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman. Earlier this year, Bangladesh was nominated for graduation from being classified as a LDC to a developing country by the United Nations. Furthermore, it is a matter of our national pride that Bangladesh is making headlines in the newspapers like New York Times, where the headline suggests the Biden administration to follow Bangladesh, to replicate Bangladesh, how to engineer development through women education and women empowerment. This is a huge compliment for us as a Bangladeshi. This has also been multiplied when the Wall Street Journal, they recognize Bangladesh as Asia's economic bull. So it's a great pride for all of us. The participation of women in this program, I see a lot of women here, indicates the women empowerment. So I'm a little nervous, whether nervous or excited, I'm not sure. I see it indicates the status of women empowerment globally. Therefore, it's of great significance and timely initiative to hold today's event titled ENF Commerce Business Summit and Women Entrepreneurs Award 2021. I'm honored to be here among you and thankful to the organizers, especially US Bangladesh Chamber of Commerce and Mr. Liton Ahmed for putting together such an important event and inviting us. Ladies and gentlemen, Bangladesh is one of the 5 fastest growing economy in the world. Its economy is growing steadily, over 6.5% over a decade. That has transformed the country into a land of opportunities. Even this post-COVID era, the country's GDP growth stood at 5.2%. The Asian Development Bank has projected the economic growth by 6.8% in 2021. This massive growth wouldn't have been possible without the active participation and the contribution of the women, who consists almost 50% of our total population. Ladies and gentlemen, in addition to economic indicators, Bangladesh has achieved remarkable progress in the areas of health, women empowerment, girls' education, life expectancy, poverty reduction, and so on. All these have been made possible under the prudent leadership of the Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, a world-acclaimed leader, the beloved daughter of Bangabandhu Sheikh Mujibur Rahman, and most importantly, a woman. In order to achieve the Vision 2041, that is to become a developed country by 2041, as prompted by our Honorable Prime Minister Sheikh Hasina, Bangladesh is working relentlessly. Ladies and gentlemen, whether it is the social structure or lack of importance to female empowerment, women globally were always on the back foot when it comes to education, job opportunities, or business. And it has been that way for the longest time without much change. However, the scenario is changing now. Very first, due to widespread incentives and facilities, especially for women, today they are getting access to proper education, health, and other economic activities. The government of Bangladesh is championing gender balance in workplace by promoting and providing quota for women in all government services. Bangladesh is really a glaring example of women empowerment, ranking 65 out of 156 countries in the Global Gender Gap Index 2021, where Iceland ranked first, followed by Finland and Norway. USA stood 30th position, Singapore 54, China 107th, and India is 140th. Bangladesh's Prime Minister, Speaker of the Parliament, Opposition Leader, former Prime Minister, former Home Minister, former Foreign Minister, former Agriculture Minister, and former Deputy Leader of the Parliament, all are women. So it indicates how Bangladesh is a glaring example of women empowerment. We can protect this list even further. Today, the average Bangladeshi woman has conquered countless milestones. There are a huge number of female entrepreneurs in Bangladesh who stood against the patriarchy and established themselves as successful, admirable women. So I just prepared a list of top 10 women entrepreneurs in Bangladesh, but I cannot cite them because we have already top 10 here. The ladies, the women who have been awarded today, so I congratulate them.